Hey there, fellow tech enthusiasts. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're going to delve into an exciting topic that's been buzzing around lately: the future of drones in a post-COVID-19 world. As the pandemic's impact recedes, the potential applications of drones are set to soar to new heights. So, let's take a look at how drones will be used today and what the future holds for these amazing flying machines. Before we jump into the future, let's quickly talk about how drones are being used today. One of the most prominent uses of drones during the pandemic was for medical deliveries. They played a crucial role in transporting essential medical supplies to remote or hard-to-reach areas, ensuring faster and safer distribution of vaccines and medications. One of the most intriguing developments in drone technology is the trend towards smaller, more portable drones. These compact flying marvels will become our everyday companions, fitting right into our pockets or bags. The convenience and accessibility they offer will open up new possibilities for personal and professional use. Now, let's look to the future, where the potential of drones seems limitless. Picture this: urban transportation revolutionized by autonomous aerial taxis. Yeah, that's right. Many companies are already investing heavily in developing drone-based air taxis. These futuristic aircraft will whisk people through the skies, bypassing traffic and reducing commute times dramatically. Imagine hopping into a drone taxi and reaching your destination in a fraction of the time it would take by conventional means. It's not just a sci-fi dream anymore, it's becoming a reality. Another exciting development is the rise of drone journalism. With drones equipped with high-definition cameras, journalists can cover news events from unique and breathtaking angles, providing viewers with immersive and comprehensive storytelling. These smart machines can analyze their surroundings, make decisions, and even learn from their experiences to perform complex tasks with greater efficiency. With AI at the helm, drones can optimize their flight paths, identify objects of interest, and adapt to changing environments. This capability opens up a world of possibilities, from enhanced surveillance to faster and more accurate delivery services. Another mind-blowing concept is drone swarms. Just like a flock of birds, swarms of drones can work together as a cohesive unit, creating a mesmerizing display of coordination and intelligence. From coordinating emergency responses to assisting in large-scale mapping and surveying projects, drone swarms have the power to revolutionize industries and redefine teamwork in the sky. Transition holds a drone with advanced sensor technology. Some text goes here sensors are the eyes and ears of drones, and they're getting smarter by the day. We're moving towards an era where drones will be equipped with cutting-edge sensors like lidar, hyperspectral cameras, and thermal imaging. Some text goes here. These advanced sensors will enable drones to see the world in unprecedented detail. They'll be able to detect invisible gas leaks, identify plant diseases before they spread, and assist in precision agriculture like never before. Battery technology is yet another area of intense research in the drone industry. Increased flight time will be a game changer, allowing drones to cover longer distances, perform more complex tasks, and operate in remote areas for extended periods. Long-lasting batteries will boost the efficiency and productivity of drones, making them indispensable tools across various industries. The future of drones is brimming with excitement and boundless possibilities. From pocket-sized companions to AI-powered swarms and advanced sensors, these flying marvels are set to redefine how we interact with the world around us. As technology continues to evolve, we'll witness drones making a positive impact in countless areas of our lives, from entertainment and transportation to conservation and emergency response. Remember to stay tuned to our channel for the latest updates on drone technology and other exciting innovations. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe. Fly safe, and until next time, embrace the future with open arms. This new perspective allows us to better understand and connect with the world's events. It's like having a bird's eye view of everything. But wait, there's more. Drones are also taking center stage in environmental conservation efforts. Advanced sensors and artificial intelligence enable these flying guardians to monitor wildlife, track deforestation, and assess environmental changes more effectively than ever before. The potential of drones is undoubtedly vast, and the future seems full of promise. But, like any emerging technology, there are challenges too. Ensuring privacy, managing airspace congestion, and implementing regulations that balance innovation and safety will be vital for the responsible integration of drones into our lives. That's it for today's video, folks. If you enjoyed learning about the exciting future of drones, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button for more tech updates. Let us know in the comments what you think about drones' future applications and any other topics you'd like us to cover in the future. Until next time, fly high and stay curious.